Austin Biggs was born on 8 August 1908 in Hamburg, Minnesota. His family moved to Detroit, Michigan when he was a child. From a young age, Briggs displayed an extraordinary talent for drawing, which he nurtured throughout his formative years. His passion for art led him to enroll in the Wicker Art School in Detroit, where he began formal training. Later, he attended the Art Student League of New York, an institution known for producing some of the most influential artists of the 20th century. Brick's professional career began in the 1920s when he worked as an assistant to the celebrated illustrator Alex Raymond, creator of Flash Gordon. This apprenticeship was circle in shaping Brick's understanding of the commercial art world and honing his technical skills. During this period, Briggs contributed to the Flash Gordon comic strip, gaining experience in storytelling and sequential art. By the mid 1930s, Briggs had established himself as a freelance illustrator. His breakthrough came when he started working from Pulp magazine, which were immensely popular at the time. His work appeared in titles like Blue Book, where his dynamic composition and expressive characters caught the attention of a wider audience. The event of World War II marked a significant shift in Brick's career. He produced wartime propaganda art, creating posters and illustrations that bolstered public morale and supported the war effects. The post war period is often regarded as the golden age of Austrian Brick's career. He became a permanent figure in the world of magazine illustration, contributing to major publications such as the Saturday Evening Post, Look, Red Book, and Cosmopolitan. His illustrations were characterized by a distinctive, realist style, marked by meticulous attention to detail and a strong sense of narrative. Briggs had an uncanny ability to capture the subtleties of human expression and emotion, which made his work resonate deeply with readers. Briggs' artistic style evolved significantly over the years. Early in his career, his work exhibited a clear influence from his mentor, Alex Raymond, with an emphasis on clean lines and dramatic contrast. However, as he matured, Briggs developed a more fluid and painterly approach. He often used a combination of mediums including ink, watercolor, and gouache. To achieve our rich texture effects, his color palette was varied, but he had a particular technique for using light and shadow to create mood and atmosphere. One of Brick's notable contribution to the field of illustration was his pioneering use of photographic reference. Unlike many of his contemporaries who relied heavily on emigration and traditional drawing methods, Briggs used photographs to enhance the realism of his work. His innovative approach influenced subsequent generations of illustration and set new standards for realism in commercial art. In the 1960s, Briggs shifted his focus from magazine illustration to advertising and books illustration. He continued to produce high quality work, adapting his style to suit the needs of different media. His contribution to the field were recognized with numerous awards, including the prestigious Society of Illustration Hall of Fame induction in 1969. Austin Briggs passed away on 10 October 1973, but his legacy endures. His work is celebrated for its technical excellence, emotional depth, and storytelling prose. Briggs not only left an indelible mark on the world of illustration but also paved the way for future artists to explore new techniques and push the boundaries of the medium. Today, his illustrations remain a testament to the power of visual storytelling